Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about some untold tips for cash envelope stuffing. Make sure that you make it till the end of the video as we will be sharing our untold tips by which you can take control of your money very easily. But before starting the video, we want to let you know guys that we are here for a mission. Whatever we earn from this video, we will donate 9% of it to the education of unprivileged children in India. In fact, 9% of the total earning from this channel. Our vision is that every child will be educated by the end of 2034 in India. If you want to join us and be a helping hand in our journey, then do subscribe to the channel. And if you want more helpful videos, press the bell icon for the notifications of our videos. Stuffing a cash envelope is a popular budgeting technique that involves allocating money to your various categories in a physical envelope. It provides a visible way to manage your finances and meet your budget goals. The most popular way to stuff money is to put money into an envelope. Each envelope is assigned a spending category. Money for groceries in one envelope, utilities in another, etc. That way, you always know you have money for some part of your budget. There are several reasons why people charge cash. They find that visualizing physical money is a better way to manage their money and can prevent impulse buying. With physical cash, you know there's no extra pot or overdraft to go into when the money is spent. But not everyone is cashing in on TikTok and Instagram. Some people make a cash folder as a way to budget. Others fill glass bottles with money until they need it for an emergency or purchase, then open the jar. You can keep cash in a pair of old shoes, a mason jar, coffee mug, or go back to school really old and put it under your bed. In other words, it's up to you how you play the cash game. It's a fun way to budget or save money. In this guide, we'll explore some unspoken tips for filling your cash envelope in 2023, helping you stretch your budget and take advantage of this effective financial strategy. Number 1. Use a digital tracking device. Even though cash vouchers are physical, that doesn't mean you can't use digital tools to enhance your budgeting experience. Consider using a budgeting program or spreadsheet software to track your budget allocations and expenses. This allows for easy monitoring, analysis, and adjustments of your budget along the way. By combining the best of both worlds, you can take advantage of the convenience of technology while keeping your conversions within budget. Number 2. Use a hybrid approach. Adding a hybrid approach can provide additional flexibility to your cash conversion system. Save some envelopes for certain expenses such as rent, utilities, and loan payments that are better managed electronically. This allows you to allocate more money to variable expenses such as groceries, entertainment, or dining out. Balancing digital and cash-based methods provide greater control and flexibility in your budgeting process. Number 3. See the emergency envelope. Unexpected emergency can upset even the best planned budget. Create an emergency envelope to prepare for such situations. Set aside a certain amount each month to build an emergency fund. These envelopes should be separate from your regular envelopes and only available for true emergencies. Having a safety net will give you peace of mind and prevent you from losing your entire budget when unexpected expenses arise. Number 4. Adapt to changing habits. As technology advances and consumer behavior evolves, it's important to adapt your money conversion system accordingly. For example, if you rely more on online shopping, create a separate envelope for online purchases. Therefore, you can take advantage of the convenience of online shopping and set aside a certain amount of money for online transactions, ensuring that you stay within your budget. Number 5. Use colored envelopes. Assign different colors to different expense categories to simplify and streamline your cash flow system. For example, use green envelopes for groceries, blue for entertainment, and yellow for shopping. Color coding makes it easy to identify the purpose of each envelope at a glance, reducing the likelihood of confusion and helping you stay organized. Number 6. Automatic deposit. To maintain consistency in paying your invoices, automate the storage process. Set up regular transfers from your main account to your wallet to match your budget cycle. This eliminates the risk of forgetting to fund conversions that ensures that your spending is in line with your financial goals. Number 7. Create a rollover envelope. At the end of each month, you can find money left in certain envelopes. Instead of wasting, make envelopes more rolls. Transfer the excess money to this account and carry it over to the next month. This practice allows you to raise additional funds over time to meet larger financial goals or unexpected expenses. Number 8. Evaluate and adjust regularly. The budget is not about forgetting and forgetting. Regularly evaluate your spending habits, financial goals, and conversion rates. Be open to adjusting the amount allocated to different categories based on your priorities and lifestyle. This flexibility ensures that your money conversion system is relevant and effective in meeting with your financial goals. Number 9. Track small expenses. While it's important to set aside money for basic expenses, it's also important to keep track of your day-to-day expenses. Consider creating envelopes for small categories such as coffee, snacks, or personal care products. By setting a specific budget for these small expenses, you will gain a better understanding of your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back or improve. Number 10. Create a wish list envelope. Create a wish list envelope in addition to your regular envelope. These envelopes are dedicated to saving for purchases or larger experiences that you want to experience. Allocate a portion of your budget to this account every month. And once you've spent enough money, you can feel guilty about ruining your finances' stability. Number 11. Get the whole family involved. Filling the wallet can be a family affair. Involve your spouse and children in the budget. Assign each family member an envelope for personal expenses or savings. Encourage open discussions about finances. Teach kids about the importance of budgeting and teach healthy financial skills from a young age. Number 12. Use envelope dividers or sleeves. Consider using dividers or sleeves inside each envelope to further organize and protect your cash envelopes. This allows you to separate different denominations or categories in one envelope, making it easier to access and count your money. It also helps to prevent money from getting lost or mixed up, making your budgeting process smooth and efficient. Number 13. Save the output log. Keep an expense diary along with your cash receipts. Record each transaction, amount, date, and purpose. This practice increases your spending awareness, helps you identify areas where you may be overspending, and increases responsibility for your financial choices. It also serves as a valuable reference when evaluating your budget and making future adjustments. Number 14. Regular review and goal reinforcement. Regularly reviewing and reinforcing your financial goals is essential to successfully fill the cash envelope. Set aside each month to reflect on your progress, celebrate successes, and identify areas for improvement. Consider displaying visual reminders of your goals or using affirmations to motivate and focus your financial journey. Number 15. Find community support. Connect with money envelope makers for valuable insights, tips, and inspiration. Join online forums, social media groups, or local meetups where like-minded people share experiences and knowledge. Engaging with a supportive community can provide motivation, accountability, and new ideas to improve your money conversion system. Filling a cash envelope is a powerful budgeting technique that promotes financial discipline and accountability. You can improve the effectiveness of this approach in 2023 by adding digital tools, using color-coded envelopes, and adapting to changing habits. If you're a book reader, then you can read the 3 books mentioned in the description for more enlightenment on the following topic. In addition, strategies such as contingency plans, automation, and valuations will help improve financial stability and long-term sustainability. Financial success. Remember, the key to successfully filling the cash envelope is keeping a balanced budget and making good financial decisions. That's all for you. Do share your journey in the comments below. See you guys in our next video.